Hi, welcome to ADI Technical Training. I'm Matthew. In this video, we are looking at how you'd install two keypads back to back. So that's why you have a keypad on either side of a door or a gate or turnstile. It's two keypads working together to give you access. I'm going to be using an example using our ACT10 keypad. It's our most popular keypad, but actually the principle is fairly universal to all standalone keypads. The principle is fairly straightforward. First keypad can be the internal or the external. The first keypad is connected as per the instructions, so positive and negative, and then your locking device, maglock or lock release. And then we add the second keypad to control the first keypad. We would connect the first keypad as per the instructions, positive and negative to power the thing up, and a link between positive and common back out of normally open or normally closed to your locking device with a link in there. Then we add the second keypad, simply apply power, so positive to positive and then negative to negative. That powers the second keypad up. And then if we look at the outputs of that the second keypad is normally open and common, and we connect normally open and common to the first keypad on the exit button input. So just a close look there on the ACT10 keypad. On keypad 2 there's a common normally open, as I've said there, and on the first keypad, the master keypad, there's PB and ground. If you short PB and ground together, it opens the door. So we're just getting the second keypad to tell the first keypad to unlock the door. If that first keypad was on the outside, you'd also get a green light coming on saying access granted. So if somebody's on the other side of the door, they get a warning that somebody's just about to open the door. It's a much easier way of doing it. You can do it together by linking the relays together, but you get problems down the line where you might get back magnetism or latching relays. This is a much more efficient way and the easier way of doing it. And there you are. That's how you link two keypads back to back. Thanks very much for watching. All the products mentioned in this training video can be found on our website. Links are below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks very much.